Oliver, so we've just arrived. CYT company, they make USB adapters, things that you need to charge your phones with and all your connected devices. Let's go in. Yes, thank you. Okay, so there's some of the, we saw them earlier, so that's what they've just been making here. So it's an OEM design, so actually the customer can put their own logo on this. Yes, okay. And these two, KYT. Yeah, very good. Excellent. What are we making here? Is this for the USB charger, is it?
This one?
Yeah, so we just slowly
power
take
adapter,
it.
power
This
adapter.
down there, that's good. So very slowly, one by one. One by one. Amazing. Power adapter.
This is the start of the assembly line.
Yeah,
producing the
this
power.
is very handful. Yeah, just stay there. Good. Good. Wow. That. Show that. Thanks, Oliver. Oh, very precise, isn't it? So it's a capacitor and putting an inductor in there. The electric static, very important. Yes. See the static wires?
Yeah, just introduced to them.
Yes, that's good. Very important. This is very labor intensive. Very amazing. Yeah. Wow. A big giant capacitor being put on here. Benny is very labor intensive.
Yes.
Very.
就是需要人工。对。哎，可能
这个机器擦不了的，机器擦的话是这个。
Roll very fast. Putting the heat sink in here and the transformer. And so then that machine does all the soldering on the bottom.
Yes, you're right.
Well, this is the first time we've seen such labour-intensive putting the ICs, putting the components onto the circuit board. Okay, this is good. But the different quality controls for each stage, so that's very important. So it's very clear what has to be done. Excellent. So we go down here. Yes. Very good, Emma. Yes. This
Yeah, I asked whether they cannot use a machine to do this
Yes.
kind of work because
Yes.
it's really time consuming.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, but they said they will do the SMT on the other side, use the SMT machine. But this side is because they have different models and different parts.
Yes.
So they cannot use the machine to do it.
And yes. And this looks like more heavy duty for higher electricity, because this is a transformer. This is Benny. This is transformer from 240 or 120 down to 12 volts, is it?
Transformer
这是变压器，
这个是
变压器。
this is transformer.
Correct. So it's automatic, 120 and 240 volt, right? So you can go in America or Korea or Europe.
不一样，这就是那个变压器。
对，它是不仅是不同国家，还有就是说那个这个电源power adapter这个功率不一样的话，它也
Yeah.
那个是不一样的。就像我们50天，你看这个。You can see this transformer is more smaller than this.
Yeah, it is
So
smaller.
the power is different.
Yes.
Those two.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
所以这个线它是不同规格的，都是在这个线上。
这叫插电拉，就是。
Okay, so we go around here. Fantastic, Oliver, thank you. So now this is going into the machine to do the soldering underneath. But what we just mentioned earlier was that they actually do the SMT on the other side of this circuit, all awesome. Wow.
那个 PCB board, the components
Oh. Yes. Yes. The solder. Solder.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh. It's coming out. And then, oh, thanks, Oliver. Very good. And then, there we go. And then here. Here we go. Okay, so
Yeah, this is the finished one.
yes.
But we need to cut the useless stick. Useless stick. Some part is very long one.
Right. Okay. So the operator over there doesn't have anti-static on his when he's touching it. The anti-static is here, right? But not being used. Although he's using gloves, so I'm not sure. Yeah.
它会外壳上会有限制嘛，太高了就要剪掉。
Okay, so let me Okay, so we've got our transformers here, and they've just come off hot off the press, and they've just soldered the other side of all the different parts. Wow, and the SMT machine also. So you got the little SMT chips
Yes.
already put on in that machine. No,
They use the SMT machine.
before.
Also, yeah,
Must be beforehand. Okay.
Yeah, beforehand.
Okay. All right. So there's soldering. So all very good. Okay. Benny, the operator there, does need this? No? Because you got gloves, huh? Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay. So this is okay, so this is an adapter, and then the electronics are going to go in here, and that's going to give you your power that you can use. Obviously that, yeah, might be micro USB or something like that, is it? AC, yeah? AC coming out, yes, okay. Yes, very good. So can we, Emily, what I'm thinking is, they're stopped up there, but these are new, smaller ones that are working here, correct? Yes. These are smaller circuits compared to the one that came through.
Oh, we need to cut them. That is about eight in one.
Really?
We need to cut them.
Yeah. Wow, amazing.
This one?
You cut?
Yeah, this is 4 part,
Yes, but
Yeah.
not 8, just 4.
not 1. This is 4.
Yeah, understand, 4. But these are smaller. These are smaller here, over there. Oh, okay. All right, so we'll come around here, Oliver, and have a look at this. So, Benny, the anti-static, is that optional or what? The anti-static band, yes.
这道工序不用了，他们就直接是焊接了，因为插那个零器件的话是需要带那个。
所以这些都不需要了吗？
他们没有就是强制要求他们。前面接触到零器件跟 PCB 板的话，他们会带那个。
哎，那现在这不也是 PCB 板或者？
他们主要这个工序的话，主要是焊接那个线嘛。一般的是需要的，是吧？
The fumes in here is
They have
interesting.
a little fan there.
A little bit of fan, yes, I know. No, but you can smell in the whole area.
Yeah.
It's,
大说应该有那种支撑那个，然后那个风味特别大些。
直接收到外面。
yeah, this is good.
这个把它焊起的呢，corporate social responsibility.
Yeah, some buyers or the international
Yes,
buyers,
some buyers.
they care about, they come in here and they'll think,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
oh,
Yeah, not good.
not good, yeah. But do you have do many buyers come and physically come to the factory?
Yeah.
They do.
After the show. After the
After the
yeah.
trade show. Ah, okay. Yeah. So here what have we got here? There's a USB. No.
这就是把这个手里装到那个。
Did you get this one, Oliver? Okay, then this one. So that's what we've got. So we've got US plug
No, this is for China.
for China.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's
100 to 240 volts.
Yeah.
And we've got, what do we got? We've got 5 volt 1 amp coming out of
5
this.
watt by ampere.
1 ampere hours, yes. Okay, which is basically similar to a USB power, yes. Very good. This is already molded on all the details. Yes. 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 It's a bolt. So then come back here. Alright. So you've got to see the pass. And so that goes there. And then pass. Pass.
If you can see there's a bubble here. If the light turns,
You're on. It's a fault, is it?
it means bad quality.
Ah.
灯亮了就说明是灯亮是不良品，所以你看灯都没亮。
But yeah, like some of these here are no good. Yeah, 不好啊。
这是不良品质。
Yeah. Not good.
这里是不良品质。
看您好像我们看见灯是怎么亮的。
你帮我测一个，看一下灯亮不亮。
这不是灯亮，它会亮，但是有一些不达标。啊，对，你看
这个是看能 model， 但是达不到标准这边的，所以它灯没有亮。
Yeah, not the bad ones, just can't reach the standard we set in the machine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you want 5 volts.
5 volt. 这也太快，我都没看见了，它就说的很多。
Very fast.
Yeah.
Very good.
And the灯不就够一
Oh, they're burning in here, plugging in for how long?
About 2 to 3 hours.
Ah. And then they'll put them where? Oh, put them up here. Ah, okay. So this is a... I'll follow him. There go. Ah. Okay. So they're plugged in here for 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours, huh?
2 to 3 hours.
Okay, and then this
Different
is,
item you
that's the burn-in room here. But just aging room, yes. Testing. Burn-in room, yes. Right. Very good. All testing. It's all important. Three hours? 3 hours.
3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. Okay.
其实这个东西长期做的话，基本上没有什么问题。就像你刚才看那边，它速度会很快。就是天天在做这个东西，它就会很快。像这种方案是很成熟的。
3 hours, and they're basically testing every one, constant power, running for 2 to 3 hours.
你看它上面它有这个排气的，
And then the computer. Did we get that? Got that? Okay. So computer's actually monitoring all of the operations. So do you have much, Emily, do you have much failure here? Do you find many fail?
看说这里有没有失败的
有
表现？
失败的话，那个灯会亮红色的。
You do?
就
Okay.
会找到那一个吗？
The green light will return to red.
Oh, if it fail.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So how,
You can see. You can see.
what percentage turn to red? What percentage
大概有多少？
fail? 多少？
像这个的话，基本上很少。我们这边不良率的话，都是控制在1/3之类的。
啊，0.1%。
Very low. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Ah, more. Testing more. Huh? Oh, this is unplugging. This, they come out of the agent room,
Yeah.
come out, and then they're put onto the assembly line.
Yeah, right.
And then putting on what? Ah, just stamping. Stamping is on it, is it?
This part.
Ah. So now push it on. Seal it.
Yes.
Oh, before not sealed.
Before it's not that stable.
Oh, okay. See, require two hands to say yes. The hands are off the machine to protect the so the hands don't get boom.
还要用2个手开启那个。
这样会快一点嘛？它的话是一直是做这一个
Very fast. Very fast. This one.
need to cut this part.
Oh, just clean.
Yeah.
So clean that part off here. Wow, 10 amp. Korea. Yes.
This is the testing machine. Testing machine. We have the red one. This no output. The red one.
Right.
No output. And this is the ripple is too big.
Yes.
So we can put it here. And this is the lower output.
Oh.
Lower voltage.
Oh, so that's not good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Not good. And this is the good one.
Okay. So testing one more. Testing again.
No. From the
From over there, then test again, eh?
yeah, testing again.
Wow. So second time.
Yeah.
So you got the 1, 2, 3. You got the burn-in room,
Yeah.
and now you're testing this
Yeah.
again. Wow.
Yeah.
So this is the bottleneck. This will be the bottleneck because they need 2 operators. Okay.
This is same. Our engineer put the data. Also, the voltage, input, output, update a computer.
Yes.
And some data will show here.
Yes.
You can see that.
Okay. Right.
If some product considers the data,
Yes.
that will show and will put the box.
Yes.
This is the output typing machine.
Yeah, you can see the. Yeah, yes. Like the customers that contact you in Korea, right? They are giving you brand idea. Are you giving you design ideas, or are you getting the design from inside?
Inside, from inside.
But you're getting no ideas from the Korea market in terms of designs?
No, just about the product colors or some other ideas we need to print on the.
That's still idea, right?
Yeah, yes.
That's still design idea. So sometimes you can use that to help get you to think about how you may change your brand too. All right? Because sometimes Korea may provide you some inspiration for how you may provide different designs here. Okay?
Yes.
So you try to work with your OEM customers, not just to do business with them, but get them to teach you more. Get them to give you more ideas.
Yes, we got that. We learned that Korean customers like most product is colorful.
That's
but,
yeah.
Yes, but you know, U.S. customer only black or white.
At the moment,
Yes.
but that maybe in the future,
Yes.
you can start a new trend.
Yes.
How do you know? You don't know, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in the future, Amazon, your products are on Amazon. They're black and white, right?
No, not only black. We have colors.
You have colours here, right? And so you've got. Do you know all your competitors on Amazon? Do you know all the other competitors? You can see on that. Yeah. And do you know how fast you are sailing compared to your competitors? So if you have a look at Terra Peak, do you know what Terra Peak is? TerraPeak.com. I think it's Terra Peak, yeah. www. Mia will send you the proper link. But what you can do is actually you can put your product into here, and actually, or you can put a generic USB product into here, and you can put any of your competitors' product in here and find out how fast they're selling. So that may give you a little bit more intelligence about how you're going on Amazon. Okay, so that can give you idea too. Yeah. 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 Oh, because not just Amazon, then you've got eBay, right? eBay, and then there's others. There's others. Amazon not the only e-commerce site. So this may give you a little bit more insight into what type of USB devices are selling well and what ones are not selling well. All right. If you go to here, this will show you. Yeah. And that can help you, give you some market intelligence. So to summarize, without wasting too much of your time, and thank you for allowing us to come today, summarize, you have two areas to find out your marketing intelligence. One, you can learn a lot from your OEM, okay? Learn a lot from your customers in Korea. They're giving you feedback, this is what's working, so they're giving you ideas. All right, and so then that can help feed into here. But number two, if you go here, you can learn from your competitors in what's selling well on Amazon. So you can work out how do your products compare. They're all black and white. You're black and white, but you have colour. Is colour working? You can go onto here. You can find out some more details on that. Yeah. So I think 1 and 2. But I would hope that you could get much more intelligence from your OEM customer. Yeah. Remember, there are Koreans live in America too. They're multicultural America. So it's not just white people in America. So yeah. Okay, just some ideas.
Yes, thank you.
I hope that helps, yeah. Thank you. Pay attention to any customer feedback or customer, if they
Yeah,
go into a
yes,
chat
of
room,
course.
you need to respond, because if you don't respond
Yeah.
quick enough, then Amazon will close your account.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, because we went to another factory where Amazon closed their account because they right Mia, yeah, because the
因为他们没有回复客户的谈话，
yeah
然
yeah
后亚马逊就觉得客户可能就去对。
没有这个都
Yeah.
是亚马逊越来越严了。如果是
对，就是说你们
处理这些问题
你不，能说你只是管售前不管售后，对吧？